Y'all, it is so hard to talk with these fangs in my mouth. So I don't know how long I can keep it up, guys. But y'all like them? Do I look spooky enough for you? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am your host, Countess Dracula. And today, guys, we're going to be unboxing our Bijou beauty box. So, guys, if you want to see if I'm going to be biting into this box or not, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're feeling this look. Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host for today, Countess Dracula. Y'all gotta work with me. I'm trying to learn how to talk with these things. My tooth keep hitting it, and I think it's gonna fall off. Anyway, guys, Count Dracula is just gonna be unboxing this Bijou beauty box. And y'all know last month I was not feeling this box. Y'all, the damn tooth came off. So we're gonna do one thing. Y'all know last month I was not feeling this box, so we're hoping this month is better. Do the Draculas make that kind of noise? I don't know. Okay, baby, we're back to regular TonyaNicole because the fangs keep falling out and I tried, guys. I really did. So, guys, you all know last month I had some issue with Bijou Beauty Box because they are a $30 per month subscription and our value was only at like $50. And I just didn't think that it was quite worth it for the money. Plus, you have to pay for shipping. The lady with Bijou reached out to me and told me she appreciated my feedback, which made me feel really good because I don't want them to think that I was bashing them. But I just want them to know that with all the competition that's going on, $30 a month for a subscription box plus shipping, and the value is nowhere near $100, probably will not last too long. So she told me that, you know, she understood and they're a new company, which they are, and they are working to make the value much better for us. So I'm very happy to hear that. You know, new companies need a chance, and you know, I signed up for 3 months, so I'm here for it, guys. For you guys that do not know, Bijou Beauty Box is a fairly new beauty subscription. It is $30 per month plus shipping, and it contains 5 products from 5 different brands. If you use the code TonyaNicole, you can receive 20% off of your purchase. That'd be a single box, the 3-month box, the 6-month box, the year subscription. Also, if they have a sale going on and you use my code TonyaNicole, you will get the additional 20% off. So I think that is fabulous, right? Right. So I'm gonna try to stay into character while we unbox this, even though I don't have my fangs, which I was really feeling that look, but sorry, guys. The fangs just come out at night. Yeah, the fangs come out at night. What? Oh, I'm so whack. Okay, guys, so without further ado, let's get this box unboxed, all right? So I love that this month has a little bat on the front. That is me when I'm flying away. So they already knew we was doing this little theme. So guys, let's get it opened. Ooh. They're in a box this month. Last month we were in a pink bag, but now we're in a box. So I'm noticing that it comes with a card this month with the prices on it and the total right here. And they have Bijou Beauty Box on this side. So it's giving us a list of all of the products that we received plus the total. I do appreciate that. Y'all know I will still put the total on the bottom and do a grand total towards the end. So yeah, guys, let's go. Look at the front of this. There's a little bat on the front for Halloween. I just love when they get into the Halloween spirit. Girl, right off top, I see 2 things I like. 2 airheads are right here in the flavors cherry and orange. I do like cherry. I will give the orange to my little niece Samai so she can eat it without her mom knowing. Now, I did not look at any spoilers for this month, so this is all going to be a big surprise with you guys as well as myself. First up out of the box, I am seeing, y'all, I'm sweating with all this black on. Jesus, the things I do for y'all. Y'all better get me some more subscribers too. Okay, guys, so up first, I'm seeing from Buddy Scrub this all-natural matcha and lime lip scrub here. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And let's see if it have a safety seal. No seal, but it does smell like like lime. It does. So yeah, I'm always down for a good lip scrub because y'all know these lips be looking mighty dry. So yeah, babe. But this is, I'm happy to get this, guys. This is the Buddy Scrub Lip Scrub, and it retails for $4.69, guys. Up next, I am seeing from Glam Light these burger lashes. This is really cute. This is so cute. And it's in the style veggie burger. Let's see. Ooh, okay. This is beautiful and very creative packaging. Those lashes are gorgeous. They're just my style. They're on the natural side. They may look dramatic, but they're on the natural side. I could definitely wear this for like a date night or a girls trip, something fun. It won't give me like a super dramatic look like the ones I'm wearing today, but girl, these are, I like these. Okay, let's see what these retail for. And these lashes, guys, retail for $12. Up next, I have a Too Faced product. Ooh, and this is the Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Granny Panties. Oh, okay, now I want to know which one of my subscribers is still wearing granny panties. I want to know in 2019 who is wearing granny panties. I have a couple pair myself, so I'm not even gonna trip and say, oh, I do still wear them from time to time. I guess that's too much information, huh, y'all? I know, y'all. Let's get back to the lipstick. So, guys, yes, I haven't tried any Too Faced lipsticks or lip products before, but I've heard great things about them. Ooh, and it's a beautiful color. I have my gloves on, so we're just gonna add a little bit so you can see. Oh, okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, yeah. That made a, okay. Ooh, I like it. Okay, Too Faced. Okay, Bijou. Boo, I see you. I like this. Ooh, y'all, I'm just transforming into this Dracula character every second. Ooh, it looks so sexy and so, ooh. Okay, guys, so this right here is the liquid lipstick from Too Faced, and it retails for $21. Up next, guys, I am seeing from Rock Candy Beauty. Have I heard of this brand before? Oh, girl, this a setting spray. What? This is from Rock Candy, this fast-drying, silky setting spray. Oh, I like the gloves. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And you get 1.7 fluid ounces of product. I love the nozzle is silver and it's so pretty. Oh my God, we got a setting spray. Let's see how the spritzer works. Oh, wait, let me turn it this way. Let's see. Oh, wait, let's go ahead. Maybe I wasn't hit. Oh, okay. So it's a little, and then it sprays kind of nice, but it smells divine, guys. And this is made from 100% natural and organic ingredients. It's vegan, natural, and cruelty-free. Okay, I like this. Now, Bijou, this is the type of boxes that I want, baby. I love this. Okay, so guys, this retails for 29 bucks. I think this is our last product in the box, yeah. So last product is from Spoiled Lip Cosmetics. That's what it says on here, but it's from O Abbey Spoiled Cosmetics, and this is what the packaging is looking like, guys. I like it. This is what the outside packaging is looking like. And on the back it says, to all unicorns, be bold, be bright, and be brave while you do it. XOXO Abby, and I love that. Oh, because I think of myself as a unicorn. I don't know any other person like me. I'm just like so totally, I don't know. But guess what? I love me, and I love that I'm different, and I love that you guys get me. Y'all are so amazing. Anyway, guys, so let's see. Girl, oh, we got a mirror. It has, oh, some good names. Tiffany's, Ashley, Forever Young, that's me. Cheeky, Blanco, Emotional. Look at this, guys. Names on this palette is so fun. I love it. I will not swatch this palette because I will be putting this in a giveaway for one of my lucky bomb ass subscriber squad people. Y'all know I love giving back to you guys, which we will be doing a giveaway really soon. I'll let you guys know when to be on the lookout for that. But guys, this right here retails for 34 bucks. Okay, guys, so that was the final product in Countess Dracula's box. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to rate this box. And I'm going to take off these hot clothes because I'm sweating. So we received from Spoiled Cosmetics this beautiful palette here. From Rock Candy, this setting spray, which I'm most excited about. From Too Faced, this beautiful lippy, this melted matte liquid lipstick here. That's 3. We received from Buddy Scrub this lip scrub here, and from Glam Light these burger lashes, veggie burger lashes, which I absolutely love. Oh, let's not forget our 2 airheads. So that's 5 products, including the candy, would be 7. So yeah, guys. So final thoughts on this box. The value for this month is $100.69, which is much better than last month. I am pleasantly surprised with this month, given how I felt about last month. I think that they did make up for it this month. So you're on the right track, Bijou. And I thank you also for reaching out to me and understanding that, you know, I'm not bashing. I'm just, you know, I'm always real with my subscribers. Always on how I feel. People may feel differently, but that's what, you know, the world is, different opinions. But I'm glad that you were understanding and very kind to me. So yes, guys, I really like this box this month, guys. I really thought it was a big improvement from last month. I am definitely looking forward to seeing what November has in store for Bijou Beauty Box. I want you guys to let me know in the comments down below. What are your thoughts on this box for this month? So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is not even worth me sucking the blood, to 5 being I'm gonna suck all of the blood out of this subscription box, but we're gonna give it a 3.5 for this month. We're gonna halfway bite it and suck it. So, oh no, we're not gonna say that. So we're gonna give it a 3.5 for this month, guys. I still think for 30 bucks a month plus shipping, the value could be a little bit higher. However, it is a big improvement from last month, and they are a new company. So I think Bijou Beauty subscription is on the right path. So yes, let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this month's box. Let me know your rating on this box as well. I will put the link down below with my code. You guys check them out. Get 20% off if you want. If not, you can just watch me unbox them every month, or at least through next month, right? Yes. So guys, that is all that I have. If you have not subscribed to the Bomb Ass Subscriber Squad, people, you need to do so now. Also give this video a thumbs up, or I will suck your blood. And what else? If you're not following me on Instagram, you're sleeping, because that's where I'm most active at. I love Instagram just like I love YouTube. So guys, that's it. That's all I have. Now I gotta retire off to my coffin because the sun is coming up and I'm melting slowly. You can see me melting and melting. So guys, I have to beat the sun and go into my little coffin. So yeah. Until next time in next video, you guys stay blessed. I love you all so much. Y'all, this is so fun for me. Peace.